SD1500 DIP, redefining stability, flexibility, and efficiency in electronic manufacturing. Featuring a high-strength welded frame and premium baking paint, it's robust and durable, ideal for non-stop factory work. Its 3-section transmission, paired with independent speed-regulating motors and anti-slip parts, enables smooth speed adjustment, eliminating jams for consistent production. Custom guide rails fit multiple circuit board sizes. With imported bearings and drive wheels, it operates stably with low noise. Precise leveling allows seamless integration with existing lines. No complex debugging needed. Equipped with board, temporary storage, and standard professional communication interfaces, multiple sensing controls ensure accurate positioning and reliable operation. Its efficient heat dissipation balances performance and energy savings. With customizable transmission direction, it adapts to various layouts. Your top choice for DIP lines to boost quality, efficiency, and cut downtime.